The world, in my eyes, never lacks value, but rather ways to verify and secure it. Until I discovered Numen's existence amidst the sea of information. Spanning 12,000 kilometers, what I seek is not merely a supplier, but a fellow believer in the creed of technology. Professional, efficient, forward-looking, there are infinite possibilities here. Here burns the passion for the research and development of intelligent products. Through relentless innovation and effort, they inject new vitality into the industry. Every conversation is their precise capture and expression of needs. They understand the unique requirements of each client, providing personalized custom services. Starting from the heart, Numen integrates responsibility and diligence, responding to the call of the era with the most precise intelligent manufacturing, focusing on more performance details, overcoming more technical challenges, and rooting in deeper manufacturing processes. They possess multiple highly automated production lines and are equipped with numerous high-precision professional processing equipment, ensuring the stable and consistent quality of their products. Packaging lines adopt Industry 4.0 architecture with automatic carton folders driven by servo systems, photoelectric detection, and mass interaction. Smart scanning systems capture order data in real time, synchronizing full chain data to cloud ERP for digital quality control. Warehouses deploy HEV robots with SLAM navigation and scheduling systems, achieve all-weather intelligent obstacle avoidance and precise transportation. Digital twin-ready interfaces facilitate future smart upgrades. I believe that the power stemming from dedication is a formidable vitality. Numen's attentiveness never fails to move me. From Wenzhou, China, to global coordinates, Numen consistently measures the weight of every trust with millimeter precision.